Nacho Libre. Just little quick ones. Just take your time. Don't try to kill it. And don't tighten up. Just loosen up. Little snaps like you're slap boxing. Like you're slap boxing. There you go. Just relax your body. Relax your body. All you gotta do is connect. Just connect. Don't try to kill it. There you go. Move around. There you go. Just relax. Control the breathing. Little slaps, little jabs. There you go. Keep it out there. Your arm's gonna get tired, but it's gonna get muscle. Keep your arm out there. Keep that jab out there. There you go. See how you had to go lighter on the jabs? There you go. There you go. Keep your eye on it. There you go. Keep your eye on it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.